They call me Big Rat, Big Tank. Came here to drop it like it's hot.
Who the boss, nigga? Who the motherfucking boss? Who the boss, nigga?
Now you know he fresh. This is how I scratch. This is how I do. Nobody do it like
Rectangle.
show.
When the bricks in the crib, ma.
Go ahead, put your back into it.
I can't keep telling me to speak about the rap. Matter of fact, I don't want to speak about the rap.
Now lose it. Just lose it. Nigga, act up, nigga. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop.
I've been doing this since niggas was whopping, rocking outsides with the matching socks in.
So don't try to run up in my ear talking all that raspy shit, trying to ask me shit.
God damn it,
Yo, a hater.
anyway.
Breathe. 1 and then a 2, 2 and then a 3, 3 and then a 4, then you gotta breathe.
Steady trying to find the motive. Why?
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
Time's up. I wish the way I was living could stop. Serving rocks, knowing the cops is hot when I'm on the block. And now, here comes the odds and the ease.